Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Camera Reaction. How you guys doing? So I'm back again, guys, with another reaction video to the group CNCL, and this is their song from the live version to their song from the album Deja Vu. This is Hero. This is Miss Ojos Lloran por Ti, and this is Entra en mi vida. Let them sing it.
Si una vez yo pudiera llegar a erizar de frío tu piel, a quemar, qué sé yo, tu boca y morirme ahí después.
Come on.
Would you tremble if I touch your lips? No.
Come on, Richard, this is your song.
Would you laugh? Oh, please tell me this. Now would you die for the one you love, baby? Hold me in your arms tonight, yeah, baby. Si pudiera ser tu héroe, si pudiera ser tu Dios.
Oh, they're doing Spanish with this one too. Come on, Eric. Okay.
Quisiera encontrar caminando en la ciudad alguien que me diga dónde tú estás.
Come on.
Quisiera saber cómo es tu vida ahora sin mí y saber si en verdad el amor en ti existe.
Siento amor, no siento amor,
no sé cuál sea mi destino.
no siento amor.
El mundo caerá sobre mí. Quisiera volver a amarte, espera tenerte cerca.
Davida,
Mis ojos lloran por ti. Quisiera volver a amarte, espera tenerte cerca.
mi amiga.
Mis ojos lloran por ti. Ay, me hace tanta falta, no lo puedo negar. No sé cómo de mi vida te pudiste marchar. Y arrancaste mi corazón como un trozo de papel. Jugaste con mi vida y ahora me pregunto por qué. Tuve que enamorarme de ti. Tenerte como te quise y luego te perdí. Yo creo que eso no es justo ante los ojos de Dios. Te di todo amor y tú me pagaste con dolor. Sin tu amor,
When siento
¿qué hacer conmigo?
no siento amor,
No sé cuál sea mi destino.
no siento amor.
El mundo caerá sobre mí.
Yes.
Quisiera volver a chocar, querer volver tenerte cerca.
Davida.
Mis ojos lloran por
Come on, give us me energy. Davida.
porque siento
He is such a tease.
no sé qué vaya a hacer conmigo.
It's the amor. Come on, it's amor. So, baby. Oh, that was a nice transition.
Buenas noches, mucho gusto, eras una chica más.
Nice transition. That was a nice transition.
De 5 minutos y eras alguien especial. Y tú me hablaste, me tocaste y te volviste mi ilusión. Y quiero que seas dueña de mi corazón.
I love that trench coat on Joe.
Te abro la puerta, sé que en tus brazos ya no habrá noches desiertas. Entra en mi vida, yo te lo ruego. Te comencé por extrañar, pero empecé a necesitarte luego. Entre mí sabrás, sálvame
Clap your hands.
Yo te lo ruego. Te comencé por extrañar, pero empecé a necesitar. Te ruego.
Ciencia. So, as guys you can see, that was Ciencia Hero with Miss Ojos Lloran por Ti, Entra, and Mi Vida. That was their three songs together. I really do like this live performance, guys. They do such a good job. Such a good job. I can't wait to see their tour. If they could give us this quarantine performance, pandemic performance, I can't wait till they put this creativity on the main stage. I think their creativity, their visual, their vocal ability, the audio quality has drastically improved, and I'm here for it. So as always, I know Joel is no part of the group, but I'm so happy to see him performing live with the group. I love that. Unless he came back to them to do the group and his solo career, glad for that. That was beautiful. I really do love it. I love the improvement I'm seeing for these guys. I think they could give us another 5 more years. I think they have a longevity within the music industry as a Latin group pop boy band. Love it. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching.